My final guest brings lots of excitement to the soca arena, of course, not just in Grenada, but also in Carriacou, because he is now the reigning 2012 Soca Monarch of Carriacou. And hopefully, fingers crossed, I know he has his eyes on the prize to capture the title here. But he's got to do a couple things first. And he's done one really good thing already. He is in the semi-final round for the Soca Monarch this year. I have with me, first time, yeah, Mr. Skinny Banton. How you do? Just cool, relax.
That's normal,
No
normally.
drama. So laid back. Skinny, how long have you been doing your thing in soca?
Well, I started from Calypso at a young age, like from school days, school competition. And then I started taking music serious around the age 18, 19. And then started putting more effort into it as I go along 2021, you know.
Yeah.
And this is where I is today.
Yeah. And this is the first time you're actually going to be in the semi-final for the National Soca Monarch competition.
Now it's going to be my second time.
Second? Good. So we have to look out for you. You're confident that you're going to make it to the finals?
Yeah, I had the confidence, you know, but at the same time, Soca Monarch is it's not only about talent, you know. It's all about business and things. So if I could bring at least, well, I Sean bringing at least 5,000 people from Carriacou.
All right.
So if they want plenty tickets, so I guess as much they should put me in the final.
There you go. All
that
right. I hear that. I hear that. Tell me about your track for this year. Or what are you competing with this year?
Well, I'm debating on two tracks at the moment, but the one in the background is the one I get the advice with from most of the people. Turnover.
Turnover.
Yeah, and that is the track for Soca Monarch in Carriacou as well.
Yeah. Who have you worked with on this track in terms of a producer?
Well, it was produced by Young Star Studio, that is Lyndon Pope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
It was mastered by SD's production from England.
Right. Excellent. Excellent. All right. So I know you have a track. I'm not sure if you have it queued. Tell me about Cookie Eye.
Yeah, Cookie Eye is just part of
It's a collaboration you did, right? With
a collaboration with Spider. Spider, if you're listening, big up yourself. Yeah, but the whole thing come about through talk now.
Yeah.
Whole talk.
yeah.
Every time they see me, they say it's a man who always getting on. Mash up the downfall.
Yeah.
I want to make up. So, you know, just by whole talk in the studio, the idea came about. You know,
Yep.
Spider came up with the idea, and I just fit in myself and arrangement and everything get it right. And that is what it is today.
Nice. So this is a fun track, and it's really catching a lot of buzz. And
Yeah.
I'll tell you why. It caught on really hot with a lot of the folks out there. But now you got a woman who giving you some. Valine is on your case, well, both your cases, because she has her own version. How you feel about? Have you heard the track?
Yeah, I was Valin track. Valin showing what? Valin root.
Valine, you hear that?
But the whole thing about it is all about fun, you know, because we
entertainment.
come out under the same camp.
Yeah.
Young Star Studio is various artists, you know, me, Terra Kids, Xylem, Valley, and Rennie. It's a few of we, so sometimes due to how the music make, we remix it, we help each other, we put in different, you know.
Yeah.
And it come about with the hype, and
Yeah.
she see where she could do it. So.
Of course, it's all about entertainment, keeping
what I mean?
people entertained and thrilled at the same time. Can we look forward to any collaborations in the future from Skinny Banton? Is there anybody that you really love to collaborate with on a track?
Yeah, well, I have high hopes in collaborating with a lot of international artists. I mean, sometimes some people afraid to say it as it is, you know what I mean? But to be honest, the local artists in Grenada, they're selfish. I approach a lot of them like various years for help, for collaboration, for ideas, for vibes, and it's all about themselves, man. So
Yeah.
I big up Terra Kid 100% because that's the only artist ever take confidence in me and say, let's do something together with no contract, no price, no agreement, no,
Right.
you know what I mean? And we play master that in Carriacou, so I big up Terra Kid to the fullest, but it's a survive, man, I don't want to say much.
It is. You know, sometimes you gotta just focus on the people who push you
Yeah, man.
and just stay on that track because, you know, I could get involved in this too, but I choose not to give my feedback on that. But I know exactly where you're coming from and how you feel about it. How would you describe your style? Because you have quite a distinctive sound. I remember when I heard, I can't remember the track right now, but it's about the girl and you say, I'm not gonna take that, and
Can't take it.
yeah. Give me a little tease on that again. How does it go?
They say, boy, you're getting on, I never believe it. You see, my whole music writing come from, well, I started with a reggae feel, you know. My passion is reggae.
Yeah.
I like to sing music that have a message or it have a story. If I sing in a song and you don't have nothing to relate to, it's like I'm not singing. So instead of me getting involved in the jump and rag and all this, I use experiment and experience and, you know, I look at people's life at times too and use little ideas from that and just make it.
Yeah.
And most time people will come to me and smile and say, boy, I see that happening here, boy, and you sing that in your song. You know what I mean? But
yeah.
it's just reality because
I like how you say that, because you know music is about inspiring.
it's about saying something and telling something. Sometimes
people.
it might not always be positive,
Yep.
because music have a negative effect as well. But my intention is always to keep your attention and at least tell you something that you could laugh with, or you could smile with, or you could take advice from.
Yeah. It's about a story, what people could relate to.
Keep it positive and
Definitely. You got anybody that you'd like to shout out right now? People really supported you through thick and thin in your career.
yeah, man. Well, the Almighty is first, right? Yeah, so I don't know. Enough love to my mother because she always by my side, best friend for life, you know what I mean? And the DBDB squad from Carriacou,
The DBDB
Dover. And all of my soca artist friends, you know what I mean? The real one, the fake one, and everybody, man. Whole of Carriacou, one love. Grenada, Black Bay,
Yeah.
Chain Squad,
Nice.
large of Guelph.
Short and sweet. We're almost out of time, but just look at the camera right now and tell Grenadians what they can expect from Skinny Banton for 2012.
Well, it's all about the unexpected. Because you could watch me here sitting here and then you might see me flying on Soca Moon at night and asking yourself if it's the same person, you know what I mean? So just expect the unexpected. Everybody blessed in their own way. Nobody not the same to bring out exactly the same. So don't judge me by somebody else's talent. Look at me, like what I bring out and support whatever you see from me, and don't judge me, nobody else.
Don't judge.
Different.
At all.
Godspeed.
All right. Thanks so much for stopping by. And of course, folks can also check out your Facebook page. I understand you have a Facebook page as
Yeah,
well.
it's Facebook, Reverb Nation. We have a few that we didn't really update, like MySpace and them thing, but
Right.
it's all. Just type in Skinny Banton in Google and you'll find me.
Fantastic. All the best, brother. All the best.
Respect.
Hopefully you'll come back next time and we'll just have one big party session here with hopefully you and Terra Kid.